Hello traders, welcome to this FXDD video on the euro dollar. My name is Chris from Elite Currency, and before we start, be aware of this risk disclaimer explaining the fact that trading for exchange and global financial markets is considered high risk. Please seek the advice of an independent financial advisor for more information on that. Alright, this is the euro dollar 1 hour chart, and price did try to break out to the upside, but we had two big wicks, so it looks like a failure to continue higher. That could be because of the FOMC meeting minutes that are coming up here in about 8 hours or so, 7 hours. So that could be part of the reason. We are getting a deeper retracement at the moment. I think that from a chart pattern point of view, it still looks very much as a bull flag chart pattern after good momentum to the upside. But if price is able to break through a level such as 113, then of course something else might be going on. Weekly pivot point also very important. So if we get a breakout below this bottom at 112.75, then of course something else could be going on. Especially keeping an eye on this daily candle as it takes place, because if there is a strong daily candle, bearish daily candle that closes below the yesterday's low with a close near the low today, if a candle like that emerges, then of course there could be a reversal taking place and there could be some downside. In that case, this upside was a retracement and we're looking at a potential bearish continuation on the euro dollar. All right, in that case, we're looking at a downtrend. We do have lower lows, lower highs, and once we break through 112.70, 112.50, we might be looking at a break, pullback, continue down to 111, maybe even 110. All right. Now, if price, however, this could also easily be a retracement. We do have a start of an upswing here. In that case, this could be ABC, this could be ABC, and we might be looking at a new ABC back to the upside. So as long as price, stays above that important support zone, we do have candles reacting to that support zone and a failure to break through it, we might see a continuation higher. So is this an ABC correction or the start of a new uptrend? I think it all depends on how price will respond to this weekly pivot point at the 21 EMA. We did have an attempt to continue higher here, but ultimately price action, those wicks, did not indicate an immediate breakthrough. Now I think we're looking at a pattern, some kind of correction, consolidation pattern. If even here could be a bouncing spot. If price extends the flag like this, maybe the flag will break during the news event. If we get a bearish break of the flag, I'm still relatively bullish because of this motion, and we could get a bounce at the weekly pivot point, at the trend line, at the long-term moving average could be a bouncing spot as well. So bullish candlestick patterns, as long as price stays on an intraday level today or tomorrow, as long as it stays above this 112.70, I think we could see either a dip or a flag and a continuation higher. That's what I'm keeping an eye on. Of course, if it does break through 112.70, then this was just an ABC correction, and we're looking at a break, pullback, continuation within this downtrend. That's the main thing for the moment. But looking at price action here at the moment, it's above the 21 EMA. It's also below the 144 EMA, so it's a little bit stuck and squeezed in between this, waiting for a breakout above 113.50 or a breakout here basically below 112.70. If there's a good momentum here to the downside, that could already be a clue that price is going to reverse. But ultimately, 112.70, I think 112.50 is the key zone. And that's about it for the moment. I think that we can keep an eye on this fib, perhaps two, like this, as I had at the very beginning. Keep an eye on these levels. These could be bouncing spots. If we get a bounce like this, keep an eye on how fast price moves up and whether there's a flag after that. All of that could be clues that price is indeed making a higher low here and continuing for a higher high sooner or later. All right, more webinars coming up from Elite Currency with FXDD. At these links, live trading webinars, check out the top link, and for live educational webinars, join the bottom link. Actually, I hope that you join both, of course. In any case, wish you great trading and talk to you soon. Cheers.